Hi, welcome to Electronix. In the very simplest way, we will try to understand the dynamics of electrons. In our upcoming videos, we will try to understand how we can control the flow of electrons, or rather say the electron flow through some man-made devices, and make our life easier. So let's try to understand a few basics of electrons. Let us take an example of an isotope of the hydrogen atom, deuterium. A deuterium atom consists of a proton, which is positively charged. A neutron has no charge and an electron, whose charge is negative. Now we all know, the electron in an atom moves in an orbital path around the central nucleus due to the electrostatic force in between the electron and the central nucleus. This creates a centripetal force and tangential acceleration in electrons. Now, let us consider another atom, which has many electrons. Let us consider an element, X, just for understanding, which has 14 electrons. And we have to remember, for the element X of 14 electrons cannot stay in one orbit. According to quantum mechanics, the maximum number of electrons that can be occupied in an orbit or in a specific energy level is governed by the formula 2n². The variable n represents the orbital number or energy level index. So according to the formula, 2n², the electron occupancy in the first orbit is 2. For the second orbit, the electron occupancy will be 8. In the third energy level, the electron occupancy should be 18. But for element X we will have 4 electrons in the third energy level. Now, let's focus our concentration on electrons only. For the same element X of 14 electrons, the energy level diagram should look like this. So looking at the energy diagram, we can understand the magnitude of the centripetal force of an electron becomes weak if we move towards the higher energy level. And this brings an important conclusion. For some elements like gold iron, the higher energy level electrons are completely unbound to any atom and are responsible for heat and electricity conduction. And these electrons are called free electrons. Based on the availability of free electrons, we can classify metal and insulator. So enough for today. In our next video, we will understand semiconductors. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. This will inspire a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to get the notification of the latest video. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You will be notified of the date for our upcoming video. Thank you.